back, and guess what we're going to do? We are going, yep, I told you I was going to make these for all seasons, and I meant it. And look, I'm done with my Easter eggs. Look at how cute those turned out, guys. Look at up close how I decorated them. You see that? So, what I'm going to do now is get these ready. We're going to glue this guy. And this over here. And I have a video how I made these. I'll put it in the description box below that I did for Christmas and Valentine's. Okay. Then I'm going to have this. No, I think I'll put this one. Or do I want to make it, you know what we want to do? Gotta make him a little Easter bunny marshmallow. How cute. And because these have wire and this is Model Magic, we're able oh my gosh, you guys. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't take it. Okay, and then we got to get some arms, and what I'm going to use for those, I think, I'm going to use this wire. Now, I wonder if I should use this or these. Well, let's try it and see what happens. Can't hurt to try, right? Because they want to do Easter too. No, I don't think that'll work as good. Once I have this on him, I'll paint these white. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Because remember, I made these with Model Magic too. Look! Okay, you guys, I can't take it. I can't. This is too much. This is adorable. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is cute. Okay, let's put one. I'm going to put one right here. If I should have it laying down right there. And right here. Oh my gosh. This is too cute. Do you guys love this? Model Magic and a Chanel stem. I can't take it. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. You can put a little bit of grass, but you want that chocolate to show through, so I'm not going to do much. Maybe just a couple little pieces. Oh my gosh, and I don't think I'm going to do the arms. I'm going to leave them green. Oh, that is too cute. Okay, let's do another one. Look, you guys, I put the ears in, but I put one of them flopping down. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, all right. So we're going to glue got to glue the chocolate on. And I don't know if I want this one to be the bunny and this one's coming to see the bunny. I might want to do that. I might want to do that. Oh, that just cracks me up. And I got, remember I got the arms, the wire, from what my flowers were on. You know, the top of it when you get by the bunch, and I just kept the wire. And I also have, I used the wire from the flowers to put the eggs in so I could put them up so they could dry. I think I could half this. Well, maybe not. Maybe I need at least Now what we could do, okay, look at this. I have this one holding an egg and then an egg next to it. Oh my gosh. Now I'm going to put a sprinkle. I have some of these pastel sprinkles. I'm going to put some of those on there. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay, and I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to make one more, okay? And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to take this one because I might put this on my tree for Easter. So what I'm going to do with this one, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay, wait. Let me get some grass here. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of glue. Okay. These little chicks are cute. Look at that. Isn't that cute? You've got to have an egg. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, you guys, look. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And this one, I'll bring you down to show you. I'll bring you down to show you. Okay guys, here they are. Let's get up close and personal. Look at the little chickie and the eggs I made from the Model Magic, as well as the Marshmallow Men. Some of these graham crackers, again, are Model Magic. Some are Plaster of Paris. I have a video how to show you how to do this. I'll put it in the description box below. I just wanted to decorate these for today. But I think these are so cute. Look at this one. I put whiskers on him. And his little eggs. You can do these for every occasion, guys. And then look at this little one holding the egg. And then I put some sprinkles down. And his little ears flopped. See that? I think these turned out just adorable. Guys, I hope you will make these. These are so inexpensive. There is nothing expensive about these to make. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.